You know that sinking feeling when you're miles from home, and the car just won't cooperate. You pull into the parking lot, and the gauge needle is dipping into the red zone. It's a genuinely stressful situation that requires immediate attention, and often, the tools you need are either missing or simply inadequate. Before I found this combo kit, I had been relying on a handful of disparate gadgets over the years. I've seen the kind of cheap, flimsy tire inflators that barely hold a charge, and I've wrestled with jump starters that are bulky bricks I keep forgetting to charge. You know the drill, you finally get the car running, but then you realize your phone is at 5% and the tire pressure gauge is useless. It's these small, unexpected failures that really derail your day, and you deserve equipment that works reliably when you need it most, without the fuss. I have to talk about the features on this unit. First, the inflation speed is impressive. It took less than a minute to bring up a car tire to proper pressure, and the precision is spot on. It controls the inflation to a single PSI. Secondly, the battery endurance is substantial. It can run for a full 40 minutes, even with proprietary cooling, so you don't have to pause it to let it cool down. A third discovery was the ease of operation. It offers 4 modes, including bicycle and motorcycle, and you just select the setting, and it manages the rest. Fourth, the jump starter itself is incredibly compact. It's only the size of a coffee cup, and it doubles as a phone charger, which is a huge bonus. Finally, the power output is serious. With 1800 A of peak current, it handles large vehicles easily. Most units I've seen on the market are priced over $250, but this Fanttik bundle offers all this capability for $129.99. The only minor drawback I noticed is that the included charging cable is slightly short for my extended RV setup, but that's a small trade-off for the overall value. Imagine this, it's early Saturday morning. You're driving through the mountains, enjoying the quiet, and suddenly, you hear that telltale thump sound. Instead of scrambling for a bulky toolkit, you pull out this kit. You press the button, hear the satisfying whirring sound, and within minutes, you're back on the road, feeling completely in control. The whole process is fast, quiet, and utterly dependable. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.